Hello, my name is Casey. For those of you that don't know me, I am the owner and accountant at the Casey Williams Company. We are a proactive accounting firm, and we help service-based businesses with their monthly accounting and any business type questions that they have. So I want to share the experience of a client that I had a call with this past month, and I have calls with all of my clients every month, but this one in particular really stood out to me this month. You know how you have those calls with specific people and you're like, that's why I do what I do? Well, this was one of those times. So we get on the phone, and we're actually on Zoom, and she says, you know, Casey, I've really been avoiding you. And I don't take that personally because I understand we're talking about finances, we're talking about taxes. It's not a great fun topic for most people, so I don't take that personally. She had been avoiding the subject of talking about her bookkeeping and her taxes, which is very common for a business owner. We don't normally go into business to pay taxes and to keep the books for our business. That's not the purpose of going into business. However, it's one of those necessary things that we have to do. And so as we were talking through, at the end she said, with a kind of a sigh of relief, thank you. I am so glad that you made this so easy, because it doesn't have to be this big ugly black box of how your bookkeeping is done or what happens when we take your books and put them in QuickBooks and give you a report. It doesn't have to be like that. And in fact, I'd rather it not be that way. I like to educate people on the whole purpose of bookkeeping and the awareness. If you are aware of where you're spending and you're aware of what's coming in and you're aware of your actions on what you have done to get the results that you're getting, it's powerful, because then you can take that information and either replicate or do something different if you need to get the results that you desire. So if you are looking at your numbers and your continuing education is out of some crazy number, you know that you're a course junkie and you need to cut it out. We can only absorb so much in a certain amount of time from courses that you can buy all the courses that you want. But if you're not going to actually go through the courses and you're not actually going to implement what's in the course, it's a waste of your money. So you can buy all the courses in the world. If you're not going to follow through and actually implement and take the time that's needed to do that, there's no point in buying the course to begin with. And when you look at your numbers and your 75% of your expenses for the year are in continuing education, we have a problem. So some of those awarenesses are critical. You can look at your advertising. Advertising is another one that we justify because we have a business and we have to do some sort of marketing and advertising, that you can put a whole lot into it. And if you're not getting an ROI on it, again, what's the point? So some of those little educational pieces are very nice when you're looking through the numbers and go, need to make a change here. Or you look at the numbers and say, September was a really, really, really good month in sales. What did I do in July and August and the first part of September for my September numbers to be that wonderful? And then you can do that again, or you can do more. That is my suggestion for you, is look at your numbers, see where you are, and then you can replicate or stop doing what it is that you don't want the results that you're getting. So awareness is amazing. Have a wonderful day.